So here on the bench, we've got an Earthshaker, both MPU and soundboard here. So MPU, we have a total of 7 sockets, so both 6802s, all of the ROMs, so both game ROMs, both sound ROMs, as well as the NVRAM has been installed there on the board, and we have also swapped out the 6 capacitors, so the 22 UF here for the reset, the 3 power input filter caps, and the 2 10 UF here in the sound section. And we've swapped out the power input header here as well on the MPU. And the soundboard got a whole new cap kit, so a total of 11 capacitors, which we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10 UF, and then 3 100 UF, 2 1000s, and then also 2 47 UF capacitors there. So go ahead and get this thing powered up. And we've got the lamp matrix dancing here, and none of the coils are locked on. So we'll go ahead and get this thing in a test. And first test is going to be music test. It's quite a bit of different music sounds coming from that. And obviously cycling through the display test here. That's all working perfectly. All the sounds are working, and the lamp test, so all lamps and then also the single lamps, and those are all correct. And solenoid test, so testing both A side and C side, with the red LED being the A side and blue being the C side, and then the AC select here. And into the special solenoids. And those were all being computer driven, and they are also switch controlled here. And moving into switch test. So we'll go through testing diagonally both rows and columns. And the last switch that registers here in Earthshaker is switch 58 there. We'll go ahead and test row 8 as well, but that is everything there. So obviously AC relay select is working. That was shown there previously in the test. And we'll go ahead and get this thing set up to replay there, which is adjustment 23. But we are 100% good to go there. Thank you so much.